Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Using it for only a portion of the day, and in a limited space, will keep costs down while allowing you to stay cool when you need it most. You live in a humid climate. Portable air conditioning units also help dehumidify your space, which can make your room even more comfortable on muggy days.
Take our lead.
Portable air conditioners are particularly convenient to use because you can roll them from room to room. With this feature, one portable air conditioner can be used to keep different rooms cool, depending upon which room you are using.
Take our lead.
They're still expensive, though. Around here, it's because air-conditioned units are expensive. It's rather complex and precise machinery, and needs to be built right. People don't like that, so they try to buy the less expensive stuff, and it invariably breaks down.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.